Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and has enough power. You won't be interrupted. Open Settings and use the top search bar to type navigation so you land on the right page fast. Once done, tap Display, then Navigation bar. This is where Samsung stores gesture controls. You do this because the direct path avoids hidden menus and different One UI layouts, and it immediately shows whether gestures or buttons are active so you can change them. Now choose how you want to interact. If gestures are causing the unwanted overlay, switch to buttons to restore traditional navigation keys. You do this to remove the edge swipe behavior entirely. If you prefer gestures, keep them but open more options to lower sensitivity or disable gesture hints so the visual strip disappears. Make changes and use the preview at the bottom to test. This confirms the change works across apps and prevents re-enabling problematic gestures later. Finish by confirming your choice and exiting settings, then test across Home, Apps, and full screen video to ensure the gesture area is gone. If the gesture overlay still appears, restart the phone to clear cached UI elements. A reboot often finalizes system UI changes. If the issue persists, boot into safe mode to check for third-party apps creating gesture overlays, uninstall any suspect app and retry. This troubleshooting step isolates whether the problem comes from settings or an app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.